Hello traders, welcome back for another video. So in this video I'm going to show you a 90% trading system that will help you to improve your trading career so that you start seeing the improvement and the progress in your trading system. If you really want to make a huge of amount in forex trading, make sure to stick around with me up to the end of this video so that you will master this trading system that I'm going to share it with you, which have been helped me in my life. See that I have improved from the zero to be at the step where I am right now. This is an easy, simple scalping strategy that it works in all currency pairs, in all crypto pairs, in all indices, in all any assets that it is tradable. So go on and hit that like button. If you have any question, go on and put it in comment section. So before I show this trading system, if you really new here on this my trader dives YouTube channel, go on and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any opportunity, any setups that we put it here, because here on Trader Dives we always make a market analysis. We give the best scalping strategies, trading strategies, position strategies which are aligned with every traders in this forex trading platform. So without wasting your time, dear friends, dear sister, let us diving into the strategy of today. So today we are having VIX75 index as a volatility indices. These volatilities, they are moving on any different sides, directions, that with high volume or with high volatility or with high movement. That's why as this channel, it is based on trading volatility pairs. Why we need a volatility pairs? We need a volatility pairs for one reason. If you want to make money in this trading platform, we always need that something that can move, or whether on buy side or in bearish shade, what we can say on sell side, with over than 100 pips. That's why we created this channel, so that I can say everything that what I do, I can say it with you. And if you want to make money in forex, you always have to choose an assets that can gives you a lot of pips. That's why we always trade this 75. Me personally, that what I like. I know we are different traders, that everyone loves what he did. So guys, I always encourage, what you have to understand, that you have to identify the kind of a person which you are. As me personally, as a scalper, I don't have a time to stay in the market so that I can hold. I'm not a swing trader, I'm a scalper, which means I have to look something what will give me some good pips in a short period of time, because me personally, I can't see the market taking me in a drawdown over than 100 pips, and then we run back to the profit more than like 600 pips in all of a week I'm holding. My heart cannot afford that. So whenever, before you start trading, you have to identify yourself, to know yourself, which kind a trader are you. Are you getting that point? You always have to know yourself. You know, me personally, I can't hold the market. Oh, me personally, I can hold the market weekly, daily, monthly. Are you getting that point? Whenever you know yourself that you can be a scalper, you can be a positional trader, you can be a swing trader, that will help you to make a huge profit in this market. And in this strategy which I'm going to show you right now, it fits with all kind of of a trader which you are. I want to tell you that the strategy what you have, what you always use, it always work. Everything what you know as you a trader right now, when you are watching me read this. This is the 100% truth that it works. The only thing, the problem what you have to highlight those noise what is in your mindset. You have to set down your mindset and understand what you need and what you don't need. That is period. That strategy, exactly what you have, it works you. The problem number one, what we have always, we traders, we want a golden strategy that cannot take us in a loss. Bro, I want to assure you, there is no a golden strategy in trading community. Even if you go where there is no a golden trading strategy, that is the 100%. I guarantee you, bro, you will never find it. What you have to do, stick on one strategy, stick on two trading pair strategy. I want to repeat this, my dear. I know you have the habit of listening some few minutes of the video and then you just go to another video because you didn't find something what you need. Bro, you will never find something what you need until you listen this video and I give you exactly what you have to do. You have to start trading two pairs. They will be enough for you. They will make you rich. They will change you in this 2025 year. It's your year. You have to start today. Delete every pairs what you have in your chart. Are you getting in your chart list? Leave only two pairs that what fits to your trading style. Are you getting the point? Implement only one strategy, bro. Implement only one trading strategy. I repeat it for the third time. Implement only one trading strategy, bro. I have faced a lot of setback because I was jumping from one strategy to another strategy, one strategy to another strategy, looking for a holy grail trading strategy that cannot take me to the what, to the drawdown. Bro, I want to tell you, we are always wrong. We traders, we are always wrong and the market is always right. I'm getting the point. That's why they manufactured what we call stop losses, that whenever you are wrong, you have to know that I'm going to lose $100 if I have 1,000 trading account. If I have a 10,000 trading account, I'm ready to lose $500. Are you getting the point? That's why we use stop losses. That's why we use taking profits. I know if I'm going to lose $100, if I'm trading $1,000 account, I'm ready to gain 1 to 3. That is, which means I'm losing $100. I have to make $300 back to my side. If all of those come to your mind, you will understand exactly who you are. You know exactly pairs which you are trading. You know which strategy what you are implementing in your trading style. What are those things that are making the trading strategy? Things that are making the strategy, those are the laws what you yourself you are setting up. For example, if you say that I'm trading the break and the retest strategy, but which means before you click buy or sell, you have always to wait the market to print the structure that shows you exactly structures, zones which are fitting to that certain trading style of yourself that you have if you want to be successful in this 2025 year and you live in the life you want. Trade two pairs. Why am I recommending to trade two pairs? This will help to master and understand the energy tip of you beloved pair. That if it is buy, you know exactly what you will buy. If it is consolidation period, you will know this asset now it is on consolidation period. If it is on a bullish shade, you will know. If it is in a bearish shade, you will know, because it will be on your blood. For example, let us say that you are a driver. you're driving a car from one place to another, and that distance, it will take you 10 hours, and just you learned driving yesterday and you want to ride more than 1,000 miles. Are you getting the point? Just put that in your mind. Can you really drive a car and then you reach that you destination? You will not. Are you getting the point? Which means it will take time with experience to know exactly the car you are driving. How when you reach on the hill, how does the car behave? Which gear are you supposed to use? When you are on sloping side, what gear are you have to use? Which experience are you have to implement so that you can pass on that sliding moments or in those hills moment period when it comes? So I want to bring that structure, you bring that picture and you put it in your trading pair, you put it in your trading style, you put in this business. And another thing, my dear friend trader, when you are trading, this is not a gambling site. This is not a just come and make money, go and joke, drink, whatever, and it's like that. Don't take trading as just a joking subject. This is a business. Take it seriously. What you put is what you will gain. We always know that the garbage in, it is what we say, the garbage out. If you are teaching a kid what you taught him or her, to say mom, he will say mom. To say dad, he will say dad. Are you getting that point? So what you put in your mindset, that is exactly what you will get. If you practice the price to be hitting your stop loss, even if you jump 100 strategies, the price will keep hitting you stop loss, because you have trained your brain that the price have to be hitting my stop losses. If you have set your mindset to keep jumping from one pair to another pair, from one strategy to another strategy, from one time frame to another time frame to another time frame, your mindset will be like that. Are you getting the point? So, my dear, this is the year of making another step. This is the year of changing our lives. No matter the account which you have, if you want to be successful, don't flip your account, because today you can deposit you $100. In 3 days, you take them to $1,000. In the 4th day, and then you blow that account, it comes to the zero. But another one person can deposit the same amount which you have deposited. In 30 days, can be having $10,000. I want you to differentiate between the growing account and flipping account. Don't be overwhelmed with the kind of videos. Don't be overwhelmed with the kind of those gurus which we are just come to YouTube. You go to the TikTok, you go to Instagram, you go to Facebook, and you see those trading gurus you meant they're telling you they're making a huge amount with starting from $5, from $100, from $10, and you think you can do the same. First and foremost, they have experience more than you. For you have started just right now after seeing video. You have just started right now. You can't do the same thing what I do. For me, I have spent 8 years in this platform, but for you have just started right now. You want to do the same thing right like me. It will be hard for you, bro. That's why we make this video, to help you so that you can filter out. You don't pass on the same tunnel that we have been passing through on. That's why we put this video out, to help you guys. I wish in my time when I was knowing trading, that I could get a certain video like this which can guide me, which can highlight for me so that I can start exactly to where I supposed to start from. Many gurus, they don't show us exactly think what we have to do. I wish if I could get the certain video like this that can guide me. I don't do this, I do this. I don't do this, I do this. Are you getting the point? I could be not on this position right now. I could be a trillionaire. But because I had to figure out everything myself, are you getting the point? So that I can fit in the same shoes with you who are watching right now. I know I was there where you are once a time back, fidgeting, looking something that can fit me and gives me exactly what to do. I couldn't get it until I fidget. That's why you see, I can tell you I have experience of 8 years. But where I was dreaming to reach, I have not yet been there. Because I didn't get an opportunity that can highlight those downs and they can stay with ups only so that to keep moving. Please, I'm on my knees requesting you, my dear fellow traders, listen me. Listen to me. Implement what I'm telling you right now. If you want to see the progress, if you want to live on that life, what you are dreaming on to live right now, do what I have been sharing with you. Are you getting that point, bro? I know why the reason I have just first to share these things with you before I'm showing you the strategy to use. The strategy is so simple, easy. You can implement it right now. You make the money or you make the loss. That is the right. That is the market. You can do it. But the words what I have been first to give it you, they are building the foundation. I want to see that you are a strong trader who will not spend 8 years like me still struggling looking something that can work. I have tried to filter out to see that I'm giving you exactly something that we start giving you the movement to your goals, to your dreams right and then. The truth is, if you want to be successful in this market, don't expect that you are going to come with $100 and you buy the land, you buy Lamborghini, you go start living in Paris or in Dubai with that $100. Only you have $100 in your life. Bro, we have tried everything. We have blown a lot of the account. We have blown a lot of accounts, bro. We have tried everything. It will not work. The truth is, if you only have $100 account, don't deposit your money here. Get that $100 account, money which you are going to be depositing. Buy clothes, feed yourself, be healthy, go and looking for the job. 9-to-5 job and start working. So you give your time, open a demo trading account, start practicing when you are working and saving for your capital. There is something what can painful which I have passed through on, that the day when I started trading, I knew everything that what I have to do, but I had no capital to do exactly what I was needing. I could get $50, $10, $30. I deposit, I blow, I deposit, I blow, I deposit, I blow. I could go to the investors, I get $1,000, I deposit, I blow it within 3 days. Are you getting the point? So, when you have the money is equal to $100 and that is the only money where you have, and you want to deposit it. Before you deposit that money to any broker, I want to go to that beloved broker whom you want to start trading with, open a demo account, which is equivalent to that exactly money that you are going to be trading. If you have only $100, open a demo account which is equivalent to that $100. That will help to build a good foundation of your mindset, of your trading style, of everything that you will do. Highlight those kind of the pairs. Try to identify yourself which certain pairs are fitting to you. Not because me, Kelly, as me personally, I'm trading 75 and you come to trade 75 when you don't feel it in your blood, when it does not respecting your strategy. Don't trade it. Get pair which is respecting your strategy. Why? Because when you tell the pair that now I have seen ABCD, according to my knowledge, you have to go upside. The pair will start moving it to your side more than 100 pips. That will be your pair, what you have to focus on. To make money, you don't need 5 pairs, you don't need 10 pairs, you don't need 3 pairs. You need only 1 pair. That 1 pair which you can catch, and then it moves 100 pips to your side, 50 pips to your side, and you make money. And to make the money, it does not need that you always get 3, 4, 5 setups in a market to make the money that you get. You need only 1 perfect setup to get you to your dreams, to make you a daily income what you want. It will depend how much have you deposited on your trading account. I have a lot of things to share with you. I didn't want to take this video to be too long, but let me take you to show you the strategy that what you have to do. We have shared a lot and we are still having a lot to share. Also, I want you to take this opportunity. There are a lot of you guys have been asking about currency pairs, about cryptocurrencies. We have created for you guys a big opportunity that you have to dive in right now, and then you start implementing. Those who have been crying for the cryptocurrencies, we are going to be sharing exactly at this platform about the cryptocurrencies because we know what to do. Those who have been asking about Forex currency pairs, we are going to be giving you guys what you need. Everything, it is covered. So if you are really new here, go on and hit that subscribe button so that whenever we bring something special to you, you don't need to be missing it. And make sure turn that notification bell. Whenever we release our information, you will be notified that Trader Dives, they have released a new information. Go and listen that. So only those people who will be turning off the notification, they will receive our information, what we are sharing with other traders. And if you see what we are doing, it's good and helpful, don't be selfish. Don't be with a person that just wanting to fit to benefit yourself. Say it to your friend. Me, I was not knowing anything about Forex trading. My brother, he went on Friday day in a mosque after praying, after praying that time, and then the sheikh said, there is something blah blah called the Forex ABCD. My brother sat down and then they had to listen. So they listened After listening, my bro came and then told me, do you know, there is something, what is this and this, can we try about it? And you give it time, we see how we can move. I give it the time. So for me, I was not to know if my brother, he was not being said with that shake on Friday in the mosque when they went to pray. I couldn't know. If my brother was Salafist, I couldn't get this information. That's why I'm really encouraging you, bro. Don't sit on yourself and keep this information to yourself. Say it to your best friend, to your family. You never know, bro. You never know, bro. You can help someone get something, change his life. And tomorrow when we are not in this world, you don't know who will help you, dad, you mom, you kids. Are you getting the point? Let us diving into our main point of the video of today. So we have here right now a volatility 75 index, and we are using Deriv TradingView. This Deriv TradingView, it always gives us the most highest time frame. It's on a daily time frame. Whenever you open your chart, go to directly to the daily time frame. When we come to the daily time frame, what we have to do, we have to identify the direction of the market. Why we want to know the direction of the market? We always need to understand the direction of the market. That will help us to know exactly where the market or where the price is heading. This will help us not trading against the market. Whenever you're driving a car, it is on a slope, taking you a very speed, and for you are putting a reverse, you want to go upside, and then you have a heavy loaded, and the car is running 100 speed. Do you think the reverse gear can enter? You will end up causing an accident. Are you getting the point? That's why we have to identify the trend of the market. That when you are starting a car, you know you are moving from the A point to Z point. You will be having a picture of that the road, or you will use a GPS to navigate for you the certain areas, the kind of the process, the characteristics of that road which you are going to traveling on. That's why we have to identify the bias or the direction or the trend of the price. I think you have got me clear on this. When you come on a daily time frame, you have to know the areas, the key levels that the market which is using to play from in that current month. So as you can see that the market, it has been playing around these areas which you can see here, that in this area we have here a high, we have here low, we have here a high. This is the last high within from December up to today where we are right now. This is our last high, and this is our last low, which means the market is just dancing around this area. Remember, for the last video, like 1 month back, I told you when the market was around this area. It was around this area. I told you that the market, if it come back here and break this area, we will start looking for the buys. But you can see that we have never been breaking this area. So if you can see that this exactly this area here, if you can do like this was the high swing low in a daily time frame. This is the high swing low in a daily time frame. I agree the point. This is the the high low of the swing daily time frame, and this is the low in a daily time frame. What we have, so we can see we have a lot of weeks and days playing in this area. So if we can get our line here and we put here, but which means the market is playing that area. and it's also playing around this area here down. So we don't need to go this side to look the trend line to look what we have, also to look exactly at around this area, because this is will be enough for us who we scalpers, because we always trade 24 hours. We don't need to go more than this area. So when we know that we are trading on this in a daily time frame, it's showing us we are on a sideways trend. So if we are on a sideways trend, how do we trade this sideways trend? We are going to trade this sideways trend when the market is on this area down here, we buy. When the market is this around area, we sell. That is the law. But we can't hold for all of that time that we are waiting. Days and days they pass when we are still waiting the market to come to these two areas, that this area or this area, that is when we sell and when we buy, yet we are scalpers. Do you see that? So here is our strategy comes in. After identifying these two key levels that the market where it is playing from, we are going to know that when we are exactly at this region area, we have to buy, which means we are going to keep looking for the buys until we hit this area. We put that in our mindset or in our notebook. So if we break this, we continue for the buy. If we reject from this area, we will continue looking for the sales. Another law. Even though we are in these two lines here playing as a sideways trend, but in 24 hours we can't move from this area to this area. It's too long area, which means we'll need weeks and days to hit those positions or to hit those key levels. So what do we need here? What do we need around this area to identify a daily to identify a daily bus trend? How do we identify a daily bus trend? We identify a daily bus trend by looking the color of the candle of the daily. Are you getting the point? Here, if you can look around this area, we are exactly like 50% or 70% in the middle of this region and this region. We are in the middle. But what does the daily telling us? If we can try to see that the daily, what is telling us right now, we are having a green candle daily here. So what is the bias of this green daily candle tells us? It's showing us that this green candle is moving upward, and the upward that is calling the buy, and the trading laws saying that whenever the trend is going buy, you look for the buy. Whenever the trend is going sell, it looks for the sell. If the daily has shown you daily candle, which is containing 24 candles, are showing you that we are going buy, we are going bullish. Why are you looking for the sell? So daily candle, it will always be your direction. If you want to stay almost more than a week in a trading, more than 3 days in a trading, holding, always use a weekly candle. Those who are trading cryptocurrencies, those who are trading forex currencies, so you always use a daily candle. Those position traders who are mostly positioning themselves, their positions in cryptos market or in a forex trading market, you have to go to high time frame candlestick, that is monthly. We implement the same thing what I'm trying to explain to you right now. So this is our daily candle. Get your horizontal line and then mark this daily candle or weekly candle or monthly candle. Are you getting the point? Like that. When we put this vertical line on our daily candle or weekly candle, it will help us to understand exactly where the day closed from and exactly where opened from. If you are not using TradingView, if you are not using Deriv TradingView, you are using MT5, what you have to go to your settings and you put the period separations. The period separations, when you come to the daily time frame, it will separate from monthly to another monthly. Are you getting the point? But what you have to do when you are using MT5, just identify the color of the candle. After identifying the color of the candle, then you will know it is a sell or the buy. But if you are using this TradingViews platform, so you have to do exactly what I'm doing here. After doing that, highlighting our daily candle, marking it so that we can understand where the day started from and where closed from. Then we drop down to our low time frame, and that low time frame is going to be our minute 15, because we only need the daily time frame to give us the bias, the direction, the trend of the day which we are going to be trading from. Are you getting the point? After that, we will diving into minute 15. When we come to minute 15, we only have to look the minute 15 to give us the setup, and exactly setup what we need. It is this one. We want to see that this is the daily open and close. We want to see the market yesterday making the low here, making the high, making low here, making the high like that, and then come make the low here like that. Are you getting the point? Yesterday. Or we want to see that market does something like this. The market made a low here, made a high, made a low here, made equal highs here, come and made a low, starting do something like that. Are you getting the point? So if the market is doing like that and you wake up in the morning, do this thing starting from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. The daily candle will show you that now this will be a daily bias. If this something set up, what you can see around here, it is moving downward, the daily will be showing you at a what? A ready bias, that is a selling bias. So this setup here, it will be a bullish or a bull bias. We are in a bull market this day here. So what we have to do, we have to identify minute 15, make this daily bias of a bull, and then we have to wait the minute 15, start printing the sell bull bias here. Are you getting the point? We are waiting in our area here. So when the market does this, are you getting the point? When the price do like that way, we will wait to see exactly that the market changes. from this downside and then comes to up side. Are you getting the point? The market shift from selling side to the upside in minute 15. So this is going to give us our setup. Are you getting the point? So we have to wait that the market, whenever starting changing from this selling side and then start moving the upside, is when we can catch the continuation, or we catch exactly here at the bottom when the market is starting moving from the sell side to the buy side. So this is what we have to be looking here exactly. So when the market comes exactly that side, what we have to do to identify this low that it is taken here out, that they have broke this structure. When this structure it is broken, let me use this one here, that when this structure here it is broken, when it gets broken, this will help you to know that the market is continuing still making the lower lows and the lower highs. We are selling down, but we are waiting to see that the market changes from the lower low or the bearish moment, the bearish market, to the bullish market. How? When the market come and take this lower high here, because you can see that the market has been coming respecting this lower highs here. The moment start ignoring or disrespecting these low highs here, this will show us that the market now it is changing from downside to upside to align with the same direction of our high time frame bias, that is daily, because the daily showing us the buy bias. So after the market does exactly this here, what we have to do to go in minute 5, and we wait in minute 5 that the market comes back from this area to this side. It does whatever it wants to do until it comes to this area here, and in minute 5 we have to identify the favorable gap around here, the order block, which is here, the inverted and head and shoulders, all trend line breakout, everything what you can implement here. But according to this advanced scalping strategy of trader dives salon, we have to look exactly here what we call an order block, or if we don't find there the order block, we have to wait that the market come back to mitigate the invalidated structure. When the market was coming down, that the market was making the low, make the high, break this structure. When the market breaks this area here, this area becomes an invalidated area. This here, this low here becomes as invalidated because the market breaks it. So if the market breaks that invalidation, we have to wait the market come and break also and invalidate this area to change the to change the bias from sell to the buy, and we have to wait it comes, make an inverted shadow and orders inverted head and shoulder, what I call here as respecting the invalidated area or the key levels. That is that what we invalidated, so that we can move upward like that. Are you getting the point? We can move upward like that way. I hope you have got the picture very well. If you have not understood anything, go in comment section and put why, where you didn't understand when I was explaining. I will make another video to explain exactly what you want to know, or you can hit me on my WhatsApp direction. I will be ready to answer you, bro. So let me take you to the chart so that you can understand what I'm trying to explain. And now this is our what? Let me do like this. Let me do like this here, so things can become very easy for us. So let us go back to daily time frame, and we mark our daily time frame here like this. This is our daily time frame. And when we come to minute 15, so what do you see here according what we have learned? Tell me, what do you see here in comment sections? Tell me, what do you see here according we have learned? Write it down in comment section. What do you see here? If you can see that we have break through according to this area here, we take this yesterday, this key zone, we take it off, and then this key zone here, or this level or this low, was not taken out, but which means we are respecting this what? These lower highs, the high lows, because the market is making the high highs and high lows. We are respecting the high highs and high lows. So when do we trade? We have to wait exactly here. The market start printing these lower lows here and lower highs. Are you getting the point? To come down and do something like this. Take this off here of yesterday, this to be taken out. If the market takes this off, because here we have take high here, if we take off this here, and we come and we take inside low here like this, are you getting the point? If the market here drop down like this and takes off this here, because here we come making the low lows and low highs exactly, even though it is two candles, or even though it is three candles, one red, one green, and one red. Are you getting the point? They take this off, and another green candle come and takes the red candle around here, but which means now we are shifting from the sell to the buy, which means it will be this the low, this is the high, but which means we have take low and then we have to the high like that. So your role is to identify exactly here this invalidation key or the favorable gap here or the order block exactly here, and you wait the market to come back here, and then you put your pending order around this here. If you are on the market, you can execute after seeing the bullish engulfing or the morning star, any kind of the candle pattern what you can see here, and you execute. But for me, I don't always wait those. I just put my pending orders on invalidation here. The market come mitigate me stop loss below of this area, which has takes this area here, so that I know I'm safe. If the market fails to respect these orders here, I will be used as a liquidity provider. Getting the point, which means they will use this liquidity or my money which I have betted here to make my profit. The market will sweep it out and make us a liquidity so that they can continue going down. Are you getting the point? So let's say that this is our order block and the market is going to be respecting it. They will come tapping into our order block, and then we target exactly this area where the market started to push down in this minute 15, so that we can make like 1, 2, 3 or 1 to 4. So that is the only what I have for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you are here new to my YouTube channel, and hit that like button if you have learned something. And whenever you hit that like button, it helps to tell the algorithm or to tell the YouTube that what the work I'm giving out to you guys, it is very worth it, and it will help so that we can reach more traders who are needing information like this. And if you want to know more about scalping strategy, watch that next video. See you to the next episode. Peace.